Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll tell that how can you clean your dashboard like a new one in just some minutes. Like, I'll not tell that how can you clean the whole interior, but I'll show you that how can you make your dashboard new in just some minutes. But you need two things for that. And before starting the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and share the video as well. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Now let's start the video. So guys, here you need two things. One is this polish, and this is available in service centers where you go for the service of your car, but you can't purchase them. Okay, you can't purchase them, and I have taken it from them by giving them a deal, which is illegal sort of thing. But leaving all those things, I'll give you the link of a plastic cleaner sort of thing, which is like the which should be like this only. So yeah, that is the thing. And the other thing you need is a foam. You can see it over here, and this is available everywhere, but then also I'll give you the link of this foam as well, so you can see it properly. Yeah, here it is. So now I'll tell you that what to do. Somehow I forget to bring the tripod from the home, so you just have to open the bottle and pour some amount of this polish on this foam like this, and here we go. Okay, so this polish is only used in black colors, not in red. Like, this color won't be polished with this polish, so that is the thing you can see over here. And let me focus. So it can be used with this ORVM black as well, and with the tire as well. And now I'll show you that where should I show, man. Okay, here you can see I've taken this polish, and you just have to pour it like that. Not pour, but apply it like that. And जैसे हिंदी में भी से कि फेरना होता है, you have to do just that only, and you can see decent amount of finish on offer. The major difference you can see in the thumbnail, but now I'll try to complete some amount of dashboard, and then I'll show you that what are the results. So guys, right now you can see here we have put some polish, and now we'll just rub it. You don't have to rub like this. You just have to spread it everywhere properly like this. Okay, you don't have to do like this because polish fade ho jayegi and the interiors can also be damaged. So yeah, here you can see. Now what to do, just pour it just spread it like this, and here we go. So now what will I do, I'll polish the interior till here, and then I'll show you that what are the results from this side and this side as well. So let's do that. So guys, now you can see this part is not polished. You can see the material is same, absolutely same. This part is not polished at all. Let me focus. So yeah, this part is not polished. This one is polished, and you can see a massive difference from here. Okay, this one is polished and this one is non-polished. Let me focus. So here we go. The interiors are looking like new. What you need. So now I'll complete the whole thing, and then we'll show you the perfect thing. So guys, now you can see all the work is done over here, and yes, polished experience now. So yeah, focus everywhere, and this is the new interior of the car. You can see pretty much of shininess on offer. And after doing these things with foam, you can use a cloth to clean these things. So wet bhi nahi rahega, and it will be polished as well. It will not be wet and will be polished as well. So that is the thing. So हल्का हल्का कपड़ा आपको मारना है like this. ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा रगड़ के सारी polish you don't have to remove. So that is the thing. Now let's do the same. So guys, that was the video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If yes, then give it a thumbs up, and I'll give the link of a plastic cleaner of sorts. And yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, you absolutely know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, or a Coke, or a Sprite, or a Fanta, or a Mirinda. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Do follow me on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching.